In this video, I'm going to try my best to answer some of the most common questions that have come in on some of the videos I've made about sea moss. Can you take sea moss every day? I get asked this question quite a lot. I know a few people who do take sea moss every day and they swear by it. And I know a few people who take it once or twice a week and have had great results from it. There are other factors that come into it, such as what sort of sea moss you take, what form you take it in, how it's been prepared, etc, etc. And as you may know from a previous video, not all sea moss is made the same, so the potency isn't always standardized. By that I mean, if somebody tells you, oh, I take 2 tablespoons a day, you don't know how they prepare their sea moss, whether it's more on the watery side, meaning it has less leaves in it, and is more likely to be less potent, or if it's super thick and rich in texture, which will likely have less water and more leaves in it. And then when you get to the capsules, some capsules don't give you the dosage amount, so you don't really know how much of it you're taking. Many articles online will tell you that you can take it several times a day, and a lot of them are trying to sell a product, and so them telling you to take it so frequently means that they sell more product. So you do need to do a little bit of investigating to see what works for you. Me personally, I currently take sea moss every other day. I haven't always taken this much. At the start I was taking a small amount every day. I change my routine depending on how I feel, but right now every other day is what's working for me.